We feel say we've still not understood what we are doing to ourselves as a country.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know, but it's so funny. The next Chief Justice.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right on Ghanaians MobÄbrÄ. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Omanhene, any OB, ewo ekosise ene na omubufu ankasa. Omubufu basa. Na, they say then kofo bufu ogana maybe some say na obufu sisen. Obufu sisen. What else were you expecting? That's my question. I thought I wonder. What else were Ghanaians expecting? Also, Mbufu said, John Mahama suspended Chief Justice. Now, ultimately, suspending Chief Justice, it means no matter what, Godo by Godo, CJ is going. Okay? Now, what's suspending Chief Justice? Now appointing acting Chief Justice, Bafo Boni. That's what we are told. We are told that Bafo Boni is acting Chief Justice. No, allegedly, no. Or yeah, Bafo Boni is John Mahama Adamfo. No. And so, but what else were Ghanaians expecting? I don't get it. This is NDC for you. NDC. Like, we are there, we see, no matter how much you buff a pig, or it remains a pig. No matter how much you buy dresses for a monkey, it remains a monkey. It can never be a human being. So, I don't know. Se Ghana phone na expect say ebia John Mahama ni NDC phone omako omudu makumanya kupon and I say me dwuma me ntiase where ye NDC. This is a typical NDC government we are witnessing. Nobody should be surprised. This is a typical NDC government. This is what they stand for. This is what they are known for. From PNDC time till now, it is the same. It has been the same. That is why Ghanaians have always turned towards the NPP for hope. That is it. So don't be surprised. No, like, what are you surprised about? This is NDC. This is the best they can do. This is the best they can do. They don't like democracy. Omo pet democracy. Obe kaya omwana omo drafty law. Uti asiye. Now, bisa omo say identity law we are drafted in such a way say everything gives the room for the president to have the final say over judiciary independent.
Clearly. But that was almost important. So what is news about this? Since we've gone through the law. It is the same. Ghana for United Sa positions are doing if we say aban bi obebe bia no obenye bibi ejina so e dia pam sa positions na emra bo ho ban nyina. I will not be surprised when the electoral commission goes. And the next action. Of course. It will be a functioning team. We are practicing a dysfunctional democracy.
It is
not.
Position.
Of course.
Every position has become a political.
But we are firming it up. It is Obia from Tonasumu say, Abedrum, your revocation termination. Would you do film or two feet doing you cry about the bar? Or no, pam.
And found the position now.
It doesn't matter.
Every position is now position.
What we are telling ourselves. We say,
yeah,
a co-terminus,
with the term of the president.
Simple. I think it will be better for us to do those arrangements now. Because because they all say NDC crowd be free in the next 12 years. It's not possible. We are deepening the dysfunctionality of our democracy.
And the hatred.
Yes, hatred and bitterness is building. Also, McCarthy say, if we really want to reset, I believe the last minister to Okosu Jones, you know. Say Oko Galamse, what Yankasi to Galamse, or party chairman Ankasa Krano, Kose Yebaho, Soja for Bahono, or Mamona Mania, and baby Ukusu, or press conference.
So it's soon.
Stop that.
It's soon in basis.
Oh, please stop it. Yeah. And I'm saying that stop it. The sooner I solve.
No, say based on the video he saw, Now,
And I'm saying that, but even amongst the solutions, now Kofa River guy, now, what can they do? Job for the boys. What is this, Obi?
And then as Speaker of Parliament, removal, and president and same. It is because the law was drafted for a dictator. Simple and theater. Law no ye drafting ma dictator. That is it. So to be able to convince dictator no say allow us to go into a democratic ruler, they have to do everything possible. Say, oh, rolling say per the constitution, obey my chief justice. That is as simple as that. As simple as that. So you should not be surprised. But who say now where we have gotten to now, they say 2029 MPP for by moi. While we are buying you my piano, make it just be ready say more. Especially corporate affairs, ni PROs, ni directors, because enu see under NDC government abayan way NDC that is what is happening. And nobody is seeing anything wrong with it. Kana fwa din obian kasa, asofo ye din obian kasa. Judges aye din obian kasa. Trade unions omunyi na omaye din enfa obian uti asiye. So that is a kind of democracy, and I said the kind dysfunctional democracy we are building. And if not for NDC this time around, we wouldn't have known say we could ever get to this place. No. And Emma Obiankasa say, Omaya is surprised, and I say, now this is what NDC has been known for over the years. More follow politics for over the years. More papa for near mami na munim say na NDC 40. Then I janye. But you see, let me sound this caution. Ebeye dimpa say leader be sorry bim to say John Ajekun Kufuor. Obekaya John Kufuor baye no matter the excesses of the NDC government, he decided to forgive. And national reconciliation and all those things. I don't think that anybody in MPP will allow the next leader of MPP, Edaye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in Japan, say they should come and say, oh, let us leave it. It is in the past. I doubt. And that is where a lot of people are going to begin to regret. Kofobe regrets you. And that time, when it comes in, we wouldn't have anybody to blame except ourselves. And all those things. That is it. We have laid our beds this way, and we cannot do anything but to keep quiet and then lay on it. But is this the best for Ghana? No. Is this the best for our democracy? No. But the moment people are not talking, then it raises a lot of questions. Because you are quiet today, you are expected to be quiet tomorrow. Let's see how it turns out. This has been the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana MTV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Next, cheers. See you in the next one.